Okay, checking in from the absolute middle of the Austrian Alps. In Fultmes, how do you say that? And look how beautiful it is. Just look at it. Absolutely gorgeous. I have about a 15-minute walk ahead of me, and I'm really looking forward to it. I've been on public transit most of the day, and yeah, I think I'll try to change gears for this one and maybe say some nice things and think nice thoughts. So it might be a little quiet as I attempt to think of nice things to say. It's not really hard though, is it? I mean, look at that. It's not difficult to be positive when you're in a place that looks like this. Okay, here I am. It would behoove me to find out where the fuck I am and how I'm getting to my next destination, I suppose. But just look at it. You know, here's why we do it. It's right here. It's like, just like a little treat. It's like a little snack cake after Germany. Dark, drab, like a 300-year-old Gotham City with none of the charm. And there I go again. We're not in Germany. You're not in Germany, Ben. You're in Austria now. The Austrians are different. I mean, not in the sense that they don't just absolutely just stare at you. But, to be fair, I'm recording it. Hello. Okay. We go up this way, and look. There are Christmas ornaments on the trees. So, this is the part of the video where I start wheezing on account of the 16 different strains of COVID currently running through my bloodstream. And I've already had it, you know, six other times, you know, a year for 3 years. Oh God. So yeah, this is where the voiceovers are gonna start. Cue the ambient music. Fuck. Oh God. Oh shit. This is very slippery. It's a decent chance I roll down the hill, but you know what? I'm in a great mood. I'm inadequately hydrated, if that's the word. And I haven't fucking eaten anything today except for an Apfelstrasse and a half a box of toffee. Well, it's alright. I feel good. Because, you know, despite the impressions you get from my other videos, when things are good, I'm happy. What do you say about it, you know? When they're not, I'm not. I don't, you know? Whew. Okay, we go this way. Oh no, we go this way. Perfect. Much prettier direction. Oh, just look at it. What is there even to say? What can you even say? It's like Colorado, but awesome. Uh-oh. Wrong way. Uh-oh. So, I need up here, I guess, yeah. Oh, shit. Well, here we go. Most people who visit the Alps bring hiking boots with them. But at least I have my shoes on and not the Tevas. And you know, I have a low center of gravity, like a mountain dwarf. You don't have to worry about me on stuff like this. I sink into my Dantian. Although, according to the Taoist, there's a black hole of infinite math. You know, kind of below your belly button, above your nutsack, so. And they say sink into it, and you will become unmovable. So I'm gonna try that as I attempt not to fall down an entire fucking mountain. It's not bad. God, this smells good. As my shoes break up the hard mountain soil, it releases the aromatic compounds lurking underneath from the bacteria. It is beautiful. Finally, clean, fresh breath of air, even though the air quality index is pretty bad. Turns out this part of the Alps is polluted as shit from all of the manufacturing in fucking Eastern Europe and whatnot. That's okay, because it feels crisp and nice in my lungs, and it's beautiful, and the sun is kind of shining, and I'm going to get up to the top of this fucking mountain and eat until I physically can't anymore. Out for the horse shit. A horse would be nice right now. You know, but it'd be better than a horse though. Is a trusty mule, good-natured donkey. Oh, I would pay $1,000 for a good-natured donkey right now, but we'll have to settle with an ass. Oh God. Okay, voiceover. Also, it's too treacherous. I cannot continue videotaping, but here I am. Austrian Alps. Checking out. It's fucking awesome. Goodbye. If they find this on my body, I love everybody. Miss you. Okay, we're so close. If I was a lesser man, this would be right about when I called somebody to send one of those St. Bernards, you know, with a wooden barrel of hot chocolate around its neck. And I'm not enough of a man to, you know, refuse that if one were to show up. And yes, part of me does simply feel like just laying in the snow until help arrives. It's been a long time since I've lived in Colorado, and well, you just don't think much about altitude until you're in it. There are deer trails, and so if I've been catfished, you know, and there actually is no hotel up here, I could see what they're eating, because there's no way in fucking hell I'd be able to take a deer out. But it does look like there's some moss to lick and pine cones. If you boil pine cones, there is a non-negligible amount of vitamin C in fir things as well. I have no fucking idea how I'd start a fire. Probably with one of these batteries. Could start a fire on my back right now if it wasn't so fucking sweaty. Oh god. As soon as I crest this hill, I'll know if I've been catfished or not. This is the links I will go to get a 4.7, right? If you get a 4.7 in Germany or Austria, that basically means you're perfect, right? The Germans specifically will eat a gourmet meal, hot and delicious, and give it like a 3.9. It's because nothing is perfect. Not me though. Not us Americans. We're a fucking gregarious bunch. Serve me something that doesn't suck, I'll give you 5 stars. Going to need a canister of oxygen. And not even a cup of hot chocolate, like an IV drip, right? I'm gonna need an IV drip of soup. Noodle soupa. Okay. I'm too fucking tired to continue recording. Goodbye. God, by God, I've done it. I've crested the mountain path, and according to Google Maps, this is the Gasthaus Grubenfafel. Gruberschmalz, Gruberschnitzel. I don't know. It's one of them. I've done it. And if my poor tired body can make it 2 more minutes downhill. Thank you, sweet baby Yoda. Jesus, Thor. Plenty others I have not mentioned. Bast. Horus. Yeah, then I'll be eating a hot meal in mere moments. And this, folks, this right here, this is why we do it. I've had every strain of COVID you can possibly imagine. In the UK, I was shooting neon green, oozing neon green snot for 3 weeks. I have taken in more pollution in the past 6 weeks than I have in my entire life, and it was all to get me here at the Gasthaus Grubenschnorfel. And I'm so happy I did it. What a joy, what a privilege it is to be able to record snarky YouTube videos in the middle of the Alps for 6 people. And I love all 6 of you. Don't get it twisted, sister. I appreciate everyone. A beautiful family, all the my beautiful family and my other 2 friends. Well, here we are. We've done it. Grobenhof. It's not the name of my place, but you know, according to Google Maps, we are there. Grobenhof. Holy shit. This is it. Gasthof, Grobenhof. And in true Google Maps fashion, I see they have taken me up the side of a mountain, and there's a perfectly paved road I probably could have taken up, but where's the adventure in that? And you know, one thing you can say about Google Maps, it is pro adventure. I've never been so lost as I have following this little mechanical shit box in my hand. I mean, really, genuinely, completely lost. But is not the case at this moment. I know exactly where I am, exactly why I'm here. I had the exact amount of euros in my backpack, my day pack, to get on the bus up here. The last bus up here, mind you, and within like 30 seconds of it leaving. And if that's not Providence, well, I don't know what is. So anyways, if I don't check into my room and get some water, I am in fact going to have to be rescued by St. Bernard. I don't know if those exist anymore, but that's what the cartoons said would happen if I passed out in the Alps. So, okay, oh my god, apple strudel with vanilla sauce. We're gonna look at this menu. This is why I hiked the extra 2 fucking miles up here. That apple strudel, I tell you right now, it's gonna be a good one, I can tell. Okay, goodbye.